Hi family, you're all welcome back to my channel. Have you been having issues with severe dandruff and having issues with dryness, or your hair being dry? Then and growing your hair longer and thicker? You must watch this video, because in today's video I'll be sharing with you all an amazing hair growth recipe made with just 2 ingredients that will help you grow your hair longer, fuller, thicker, and then reduce dandruff. If you are new here, my name is Mona. My channel is all about natural hair tips and tricks and feminine hygiene. Please do well to join the family. Without further ado, let's get started. Please subscribe. So the first ingredient we'll be making use of today is our rose petals. Rose petals serve as a natural cleanser and conditioner for your hair and scalp. They are natural storehouses of antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that nourishes your scalp and promote the growth of healthy hair. As we go further, I will explain more on this rose petals. The next ingredient we have here now is our lavender. Lavender helps in stimulating blood circulation, balances natural oil production, and strengthens new hair growth. Lavender has an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties that can assist in treating hair loss and many other scalp conditions. And we all want to note that our hair grows from the scalp. So if you want to do any treatment that would help you grow your hair healthy, concentrate on the scalp. Any dent or plants that can help you grow your and also treat your scalp is the. So we're going to start now. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of these 2 ingredients. I'll be adding lavender bowl or a measuring jar. So I added just 3. It all depends on how long, like I always say, you want to use your treatment, how long you want it to last. And second amazing ingredient, which, like I said, just 2 ingredients to help you grow your hair longer, fuller, and thicker. So I've added both of them now, like recipe. I was going to share it with my friends, sharing it with my friends at work, cousin as well. So I'm adding water now, warm water. I'm adding warm water. Just keep watching while you enjoy the music. Keep watching. I'll be writing it on the screen, so keep watching. And this thing had a very wonderful, will I say, aroma, soothing, because lavender itself is soothing to the soul and calming to the soul. When you apply this, oh, your scalp, thank you. With just 2 ingredients, lavender and rose petals, your scalp will thank you. Your scalp will be healthy and it will grow. It will make your hair grow and stimulate circulation of blood. When I talk about hair growth of hair is all about blood circulation. So I actually left this mixture, the rose and lavender mixture, I left it in for 2 days, 48 hours. You can leave it for 24 hours, but I wanted it to very conk. When I mean conk, concentrated, so it will really work perfectly well for me. So you can as well leave it for 24 hours or 48 hours. It all depends on you. So that is it. After 48 hours, 2 days, you can see how the color looks. It has really they've deposited all their goodness into that water. So I'm adding my essential oils too. I can't do without essential oils. Essential oils are very important, though we can't use them directly, but they help in blood circulation. They help to stimulate blood flow to your scalp. I use rosemary, peppermint, and eucalyptus. And rosemary is one of my best essential oil. Let me know in the comment section your best essential oil. Name 2 essential oils that are your best in the comment section and tell us why they are your best. And is there anyone you want me to also try? Please state it in the comment section below. I will be trying it out as well. Rosemary serves as minoxidil. It even works better off than minoxidil. Same as peppermint essential oil as well. That's why I don't do without them. So I've sieved it now like so. So this is application time. So enjoy the music, enjoy how I applied on my scalp. So guys, I really do appreciate. Please endeavor to apply this. It can be applied on both the hair and on the scalp, because one, it conditions your hair and your scalp, so you can apply it on your strands and then your scalp for growth, and then massage it thoroughly. You can see I'm massaging it thoroughly on my scalp. Like massage it to improve that blood circulation on your scalp. Massage it to stimulate blood circulation. To bet you, these two ingredients, lavender tea for hair growth and rosemary petals for hair growth, will grow your hair, and it will help condition your scalp and reduce dandruff drastically. All these are try and true. I've tried them before coming up here to share it with all my beautiful and wonderful subscribers. I love you all so much. Please continue to support me. Share this video with your friends and family, and do not forget to leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried this recipe. How did you find it? Or you've used just all but one of these ingredients? Let me still know in the comment section below. This is really good. You need to try it. Use it on your scalp, use it on your hair, and I assure you your hair will grow healthy, longer, and thicker as well. Please do not forget to follow me on my other social media handle, my Instagram page at Afrolicious Muna.